How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our K-Force TIR versus our MultiColor Linear full-size light bars. So on the bottom here, I brought our K-Force 47 TIR in a red-blue color setup. Now I'll be using my optional Supreme control boxes for each of these light bars. So on the first position here, that will activate the back of my light bar. The second position will activate the front of my light bar, and the third position will activate my light bar in 360 warning mode. So that's my K-Force 47 TIR in red-blue. And then here is my MultiColor K-Force 47 Linear in red-blue also. Same thing here. First position will activate the back of my light bar, second will activate the front of my light bar, and the third will activate my light bar in 360 mode. Now you'll notice the main difference here between our MultiColor Linear and our TIR color models is my MultiColor light bar is flashing back and forth between my primary and secondary colors being red-blue, and then my TIR model is half red and half blue, and my modules are not changing color. And you will have a 60-degree light spread off of my TIR modules, and then you'll have a 110-degree light spread off of the MultiColor Linear. And we do offer any of these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in TIR or MultiColor Linear. And you will have dual memory plus night mode with our new Supreme control boxes. So to activate your other mode, you'll hit your mode button here, which will illuminate your mode button, and then that will activate your secondary flash pattern. So you have two flash pattern memories in your 360 warning mode, your front warning mode, and your back warning mode. And again, you have two flash pattern memories, and you can activate each of your power modes by activating or deactivating your mode button here on your Supreme control boxes. And then you'll have your night mode here, which you can activate by button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And you can either activate your night mode by button or your white cable coming off of your cable harness here. Now when it comes to the takedown, alley, cruise, and traffic advisor function on these light bars, they both will come with their standard clear takedowns, clear alleys, and amber traffic advisor in the back. And then on my TIR modules for my cruise mode, those will go to steady burn in the warning color ordered of my light bar. So for example here, my two cruise lights are red, and then my two cruise lights here are blue. And then on my MultiColor Linear, the cruise lights, when activated in steady burn, those will be activated in the secondary color ordered of my light bar. And again, this was a red-blue color example, so my secondary color is blue. So when I activate those cruise lights, they will activate in blue. Now if you don't want your takedown, alleys, and traffic advisor to flash their standard colors, aka clear for our takedowns and alleys and amber for your traffic advisor, you can get our MultiColor upgrade to where these modules will flash the warning color of your light bar, and then when you activate those functions, they will go to clear. So I'll go ahead and activate the functions while my light bar is flashing here. So my takedown, alley, and traffic advisor, and then my takedown, alley, and traffic advisor there. So you'll see you can operate those modules while your light bar is flashing, or those will operate independently as well, like you see here. So that gives you a brief overview of our K-Force TIR versus MultiColor Linear full-size light bars. Make sure to check out our product pages and watch the product demos, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.